Welcome to the keyboard layout independent input Lyra integration tutorial. I wanted to show you how easy it is to set up my plugin in any Unreal Engine 5 project. For this, I'm using the Lyra Starter Game as a fairly complex example. I'm also using a DVORAK keyboard layout, but any layout will work. First, look at how Unreal Engine behaves without the plugin. I can move the character with standard WSAD keys, but I would prefer these keys instead. Sadly, they don't work. I'm now enabling the keyboard layout independent input plugin. I just need to find it in the plugins window, check it, and restart the editor. Now, when I run the game, I can move using the physical keys intended by the developer. It's that simple. There are, however, things that require some more work. Have a look at keyboard bindings in the options. They show keys for QWERTY layout. That's because my plugin made the engine think it's running with QWERTY keyboard. When I try to change the binding to a comma, it's registered as W. This will need changes in the C++ code. I start with adding the plugin as a dependency in Lyra game build CS file. Then, I do a key remapping, from QWERTY to system layout, in two places. In Lyra setting keyboard input CPP, to fix keys displayed in options, and in Lyra settings list entry setting keyboard input CPP, to fix rebinding warning screen. First, I include KiBLII function library header file at the top. Then I remap the key using remap key QWERTY to system function. All functions are also available in Blueprint. When I run the game after these changes, the options menu behaves as expected. As Lyra uses the Common UI plugin, there's one more thing to be done. For the Common Action widget to work with the KiBLII plugin, I need to modify the controller data blueprint used for mouse and keyboard input. For convenience, I have it ready in the content browser, but you can find it under this path. First, I go to the class settings and change the parent class to KiBLII variant. Then, in the class defaults, I choose a widget blueprint used to generate key icons. I'm using a widget included in the plugin, which matches the Lyra UI. When I run the game now, you can see key icons showing in different places of the UI. It mostly doesn't make sense, because Lyra wasn't prepared for this. But at least there's a hint for what key launches a grenade. I prepared a modified version of Lyra Starter Game project with these and more changes. You'll find links to the Unreal Engine 5.4 project and an executable build in the description. Check out keyboard layout independent input on the Unreal Engine marketplace. And thank you for watching.